everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video we're going to make another DIY vlog again. And this oversized shirt right here, we're going to transform it into turno outfit, skirt and top. So without further ado, let's do the cutting. And for the first step guys, we're going to remove the pocket, the sleeves. As you can see, natanggal ko na yung pocket and sleeves natin, and then yung sa may botones natin. Half lang yung tinanggal ko kasi dun sa may top is gagamitin pa natin yung botones, okay? And then after that, we're going to mark 10.5 inches from the collar downwards, and then we're going to cut it, okay? Let's proceed to the sewing steps guys. So una natin isa-sew is yung top. So ang top ay magfo-fold lang. Ifo-fold lang natin siya or i-hem natin all sides, okay? And after natin i-hem yung sa may sides is and after natin ilagay yung sleeves ng dalawa, both sides is now I added some botones din sa may baba kasi tinanggal natin kanina, diba? So pagkatapos nun is ayan, ganun tsura nung sleeves niya pag hindi siya gathered sa baba. So I decided na i-gathered siya, ganun, i-sheared siya, I mean. So, i-shared muna natin yung sa may sleeves niya. But you can skip this step kung gusto niyo siya puffy or yung parang Filipiniano siya guys. Okay. So, we're now going to proceed to this step of the skirt. So, for the first steps, we're going to hem muna lahat and then i-connect na natin sila ng ganyan. Okay? So, guys, stop kayo ng 4 inches doon, mag-lock kayo doon kasi yung sa may slits natin, di ba? So after that, we're going to open the seam the seam allowance ng ganyan, and then we're going to tahe-tahe the sides nan, okay? Ganun din sa may side. We're now done putting the zipper in the skirt. So for the next step is we're now going to hem the waistline part niya. So ito na yung pinaka last step natin, and then after nun ikabit na natin yung sa may hook and eye, and then we're now finished with this DIY tutorial for today. Guys, hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share it to your friends for more DIY videos. Thank you for watching, and we're now going to see the final transformation in 3, 2, 1. Bye bye.